Welcome to Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheridpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 36832. The job location is in Phoenix, Arizona. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: looking for a subcontractor requirement for Python analysis, design, development, testing of enterprise applications, and database development for Amex account. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 8 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is required.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheridpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.